Alright, good evening everyone. I'm going to try this one more time because I tried it one time, didn't work out well, so I had to start over. If you haven't visited our channel before, this is part 2 of our series for how to open a brand new Etsy shop. I'm the owner of S&K Beads and Charms. I also have a group on Facebook that's for Etsy Online Selling Help Group that actually is to help teach new sellers how to start their shops and how to set up everything. So what I'm doing with this series is basically a walkthrough on exactly how to do that, so that you can see step by step how to start your shop. Now, my last video we talked a little bit about how to research, how to figure out your title, what you needed to do to be able to get to this point, and how you can set up your shop and get 40 free listings. So what I'm going to do now is walk you through how to actually do the beginning setup of a shop. And yes, I tried to do this a while ago and I didn't use my right link, so we'll see how it goes this time. I'm going to switch to my different view now, and then we're going to go and we're going to look at how you actually would sign up for the Etsy shop. So what I've done is you can, I have a link in my other one where you can go and you can get 40 free listings. So what you would do is you could click on that direct link, or if you have a friend that sends you a link so you could get 40 free listings, you would get an email from Etsy to confirm that, or you would go actually straight to the link I'm fixing to take you to, so that you can sign up as a brand new Etsy account. You click confirm. You're going to go over here and, oops, I'm going to the wrong place. I think I've actually, hold on. Okay. I click this again, and I'm going to see if I can take it backwards for me, because I've clicked a few wrong buttons. Okay. So it goes to this, you're on your email, or if you click the other direct link, and it says accept invitation. Or if you click the direct link I had listed, it'll take you to this page. And it says open an Etsy shop and list your first 40 free items for free. So if you haven't had an Etsy shop or an account at all, you can use this and get your 40 free items on a brand new shop. So we're going to click open your shop today. So I'm going to look at using a brand new email address. And hopefully nobody's used this because it is a brand new email address. I just connected. So we're going to click and set up a new account. You put your name, make a password, and you register your account. Then you're going to put, okay, looks like it's working. Sorry, I was checking to make sure I was working. You're going to check your language, United States, dollars. Are you doing this as a full-time job, part-time, and see how it goes? Whatever. You click what applies to you, save and continue. Then you're going to try to pick your name. So I'm going to try to claim the name that I wanted to claim, but I've actually already claimed another one, so that's another story. Okay, so we're going to go with this. Or I'm going to see if I can do it this way. Nope. Oh, I've got too many characters. It's okay. I'm going to do it this way. That works, so we're going with a whole brand new account. It's not exactly what I wanted to start with, but since I took my other name, I kind of messed myself up. So, I'm going to take it and hit save. So the next thing I'm going to do is it asks you to actually create a listing. It can be anything. You got to put something in there. If you're brand new, you don't know what you're starting, you can just kind of make up something and it'll be your listing one. And once you get your other things listed, you can just delete this one if you want to. But, you know, you do want to try to have something that you probably may possibly sell so that you're not doing so much extra. Since I'm going to be moving all my silverware jewelry in here, I'm going to go with this. Just to get my items listed. Add my pictures in. Again, I've kind of done this before, so I'm going to just kind of halfway put the title in and finish it up later. What I'm doing is I'm going to use 3 decent phrases with good keywords. And I'm using the whole exact thing as what is actually on the bracelet because it is a known saying and people search for that, and it's got also I'm going to actually change that a little bit. Do it that way. I'm going to actually copy and paste this so that I can get something into my description faster. And I'm going to kind of speed through this just a little since we're doing a video on the how-tos. Again, you fill in who made it, if it's a finished product, if it's vintage, you put what year it was made, that kind of thing. If you're making it to order, make to order. It's a we're going to check that it's for girls and women because this is not really something we'd want that a man would probably wear, this particular item. You're going to check what kind of material it's made out of. Is it recycled? This particular item would be considered a recycled item. Its primary color is silver. Doesn't really have a secondary, so we're going to leave that blank. It is adjustable. It's going to be more of that. The theme, love and friendship. It can be personalized. Occasion, could really be any occasion, but we're just going to pick one. I'm going to pick anniversary. Not going to put a whole lot more in my description now, since I'm kind of just showing you how to do. I'll go back and fill all this in later. I'm going to put some of my tags in. I'm going to leave it with that, but you would fill in all 13 tag words in here also. Since this video is not really about how to set up the listing, but how to get the shop open, I'm going to skip some of this for you. I'm actually going to put this at $20. The quality I have is about 20 of those that I can make. I'm going to go ahead and list some variation options. I'm going to pick size. And then I'm also going to add another one that says none of these work, because I'm going to actually offer a variation of personalized or non-personalized. I don't want that, so hang on. I'm going to add a variation of size, scale. This is going to be alpha, so it's going to be small, medium, and large. Save and continue. And I'm going to go with that. Got to pick a shipping profile, or if it can be personalized, I'm going to go ahead and add that while I'm in here. Okay, got that note going. I'm going to pick fixed shipping costs, and then later on I'll show you how to do an actual shipping profile for different items in your shop. This is going to take 3 to 5 days to make. I'm going to put first class mail, fixed shipping costs. A lot of people are they're recommending free. I don't do free because you have to raise your prices to cover the free. So free's never really free. That's kind of up to you, but you would pick your option. And I would also watch the videos for later as to how to do this, set up your custom profiles, and then kind of what works best for you to based on what you are selling. So that'll be covered in another video. I'm not going to put that I'm going to ship anywhere else currently. And I'm going to preview and see what happens. Apparently there's something I didn't save. What was that? What is it? Hang on. Apparently I didn't click a button somewhere. Oh, the renewal. I'm going to hit automatic, save and continue. And we have our first listing in our shop. It requires you to put at least one listing to start with just to get it going. Okay? So then you're going to have to fill out your payment profile, where you live, what your dollars amount will be in. It's going to ask you, information, checking account, routing number, all of that to complete setup. Well, can't do it that way. I'm going to kind of skip over this part because y'all don't need to know all that information. We'll pick up from there when we come back after I've added my stuff in there, and we'll skip this part and we'll continue to move on from there as to what you do once it's set up. It does ask you to verify your account. It's going to send you that email to your email that you actually use to sign up. So you have to click verify. I'm going to go ahead and do that part. And it sends it to your personal email that you use to sign up for the account. So you do have to come back. You have to confirm the account so that they can verify you are in fact a real person, or they won't let you sell. Once you do that, you get all that done, you're going to fill out how you will get paid and set up your payments. I'm actually going to be using a prepaid debit card account. I have found that useful, so it's not going to my personal account. And it's a good way to have a business account that's free, and you have a debit card, so all your money's available. And I have found that on Etsy, if you do it that way, say the deposit goes in today, it actually a lot of times will show up by midnight or first thing the next morning. It's like you get your money just a little bit faster by using that. I'm actually using a prepaid debit card from PayPal, and it connects with my actual PayPal account. So if I get funds into my PayPal account, I can transfer the money from that onto this card also. So that may be a good option for you. If you want information for that, message me. I'll be glad to get it to you. I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to set up my account information on here so that we can continue on in our next lesson. I'll leave a link again for how you can get your 40 free listings, and a couple other links that lead to the next videos after I get all this set up online for you.